Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a summer essential that's been turning heads and topping the charts. The best cover-up beach dress chiffon sheer. The women's summer kimono cardigan in black. Whether you're lounging poolside, walking the boardwalk, or heading out for brunch, this one piece is redefining versatility and effortless style. Let's get into it. At first glance, the elegance of this cover-up is obvious. It's a sheer, chiffon material that flows effortlessly over your outfit. The open front design gives it that relaxed, breezy beach vibe, while the solid black color keeps it timeless and versatile. You can throw it over your swimsuit at the beach or layer it on top of a tank and jeans for a casual summer outing. Now let's talk about comfort. This isn't your typical one-size-fits-all cover-up. It's made from 95% polyester and 5% spandex, which means not only is it breathable and light, it also has just the right amount of stretch. That slight give in the fabric makes it flattering for many body types, and it helps the piece drape beautifully across the body without clinging. And yes, it's incredibly soft against the skin. No scratchiness here. The length hits just below the hip, which is ideal. Long enough to provide coverage when worn over swimwear, but short enough to keep it playful and flirty. Whether you're a fan of short shorts, maxi skirts, or cropped denim, this kimono length works perfectly with all of them. One of the standout features is its styling flexibility. This isn't just a beach piece. You can pair it with leggings, denim shorts, tank tops, sundresses, even as a stylish shawl over a dress for a casual wedding or evening out. It works equally well over a swimsuit or layered for a brunch date. You can even cinch it with a belt at the waist for a more structured look. And let's not forget, it's a travel must-have. Lightweight, wrinkle-resistant, and compact, it won't take up much space in your suitcase. And because it works with so many outfits, you're essentially packing multiple looks with one piece. It's ideal for tropical vacations, cruises, staycations, or spontaneous weekend getaways. In terms of care, it's super simple. Just hand wash and hang to dry. The fabric maintains its integrity and softness without any special treatment, which makes it perfect for everyday wear, season after season. Anyone who wants an easy, stylish, and comfortable layering piece for the warmer months. Whether you're in your early 20s or late 60s, the design is ageless. It's especially great for anyone who wants to add a touch of elegance and coverage without overheating. And if you're looking for gift ideas, this is a winner. Birthdays, vacations, Mother's Day, or even just a spontaneous gesture. It's a thoughtful and stylish pick. So, to wrap it up, the women's summer chiffon kimono cardigan is more than just a beach cover-up. It's a multi-purpose, flattering, and effortlessly stylish piece that belongs in every summer wardrobe. It's not only functional and comfortable, it elevates your entire look without you even trying. If you're looking to add something fresh to your closet that you can wear to the beach, the mall, or a garden party, this is it. Simple, chic, and oh so versatile. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know where you'd wear your kimono cardigan this summer. See you in the next one.